Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fadil Akmal Ramadhani, absent 12, grade 10 3RB. I will explain the function of the engine component in between. 1. Cylinder block. The cylinder block is the main component of the engine, in which there is a cylinder as a place for the piston to go up and down to run the engine work cycle. 2. Cylinder head. The cylinder head contains the combustion chamber, which function as a spark plug and valve sit on a 4-stroke engine. 3. Piston. This function piston, which produce energy. The energy at the time of the business step will be retrieved by the piston, which is then inserted into crankshaft flywheel to transfer power and wheel drive. 4. Piston pin. The function of the piston pin is to connect the piston with the small end of the connecting rod through the bushing and pass the combustion pressure retrieved by the piston to the piston rod. 5. Ring piston. As a seal between the piston and the cylinder wall to prevent gas leak during the compression stroke and the work stroke. 6. Crankshaft. The crankshaft function to convert the motion energy received by the piston into rotating energy, which is then channeled to the flywheel. 7. Bushing. Spark plug is a component of the ignition system that is useful for sparking the spark needed in combustion of a mixture of air and fuel to produce power. 8. Cylinder head gasket. The cylinder head gasket serves as a seal between the cylinder head and the cylinder block, with the main objective of preventing leakage of combustion gases. 9. Oil pump. The oil reservoir serves to accompany oil for lubrication. 10. Flywheel. The function of the flywheel is to store the rotational power or energy generated by the engine during the business step, so that the crankshaft continues to rotate in the next step. 11. Valve mechanism. Valve mechanism function to open the close the valve required in the engine work cycle. 12. Radiator. The function of the radiator in the cooling system is a component to cool water that has absorbed heat from the engine by removing the heat from the water through its cooling fins. 13. Thermostat. The function of the thermostat valve is to maintain the temperature stability of the cooling water and to accelerate the engine to reach the working temperature. 14. Water jacket. Function as a way for cooling water to absorb heat from the cylinder block. 15. Fuel tank. The function of the fuel tank is to accommodate the fuel needed by the engine to run its work cycle. 16. Fuel filter. The function of the fuel filter is to filter out dirt or water that may be present in gasoline or fuel. 17. Fuel pump. The function of the fuel pump is to flow or pump gasoline from the tank to the carburetor. 18. Carburetor. The function of the carburetor is to mix air and fuel with the right ratio according to the needs and working condition of the engine. 19. V-belt. This V-belt function to move or connect several components in the engine, such as the AC, compressor, alternator, extra fan, and hydraulic power steering. 20. Oil filter. The function of the oil filter is to filter out impurities such as crumbs of engine friction and filter carbon before the oil is circulated to all parts of the engine. That's all from me. More or less sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.